Hi everybody, welcome to Developing Literacy. My name is Judy Blackley and I will be your ELA for this teaching period. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a retired primary school teacher with well over 30 years of experience teaching all year levels in primary school. I have a qualification as a teacher librarian, and I also am a qualified reading recovery teacher. I also have led staff professional development in the teaching of literacy. So as you can see, literacy and the teaching of it is a big passion of mine, and I'm really thrilled to be able to be your ELA for this particular unit because it is such a practical unit. Hopefully by the end of this unit you will have a much better understanding of the hows and whys of teaching literacy, particularly reading and writing, and that will stand you in good stead when you go on your practicums and out into the classroom. Just to finish up, I'd just like to say that to get the best out of any unit here at SOL, it does pay to take part in the discussion board to complete the weekly tasks. They are designed to help you develop your understanding of the readings and also to help you complete your assignments. So I know everybody gets busy, but if as often as possible you can jump in on the discussion board, I would really appreciate and enjoy your contributions. So hopefully I'll see you all in your introductory post, and I look forward to working with you this teaching period.